In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find student guides and lesson answer keys to go along with each of our lessons. These are sort of guided notes to go along with each lesson. I'm not collecting them. They're only for your own use. They can help you as you follow along with the reading in the textbook for each lesson. So, for example, if I was looking for a student guide or lesson answer key for a lesson in Unit 1, I would just go to my class content and Unit 1, which is called Civilization Begins. I would click on 1, Civilization Begins. And at the beginning of each unit, you'll see an option for student resources. So if I'm in Unit 1, I would click on Student Resources to find my student guide and lesson answer keys. For example, maybe we're on lesson 1.03. So what I would do is, once I'm in Student Resources, you have to click the second box for materials. And if I'm looking for lesson 1.03, I go down here to lesson 3, Finding Our Past. You can see here are the student guide and lesson answer key. So the student guide you can click on, and you can see it lets you know what our objectives are in that lesson, what we're trying to do. And it also lets you know some of the keywords in that lesson, and it tells you the textbook page numbers that you can use to answer these questions. And you're welcome to print out your student guide or lesson answer key by clicking the print button at the top. Or if you'd like to type out your responses, what you could do is copy and paste the student guide into a Word document. If I wanted to copy all this material from the Unit 1 Lesson 3 student guide, I would put my cursor, my mouse, in front of the first word. I'd click down with my left mouse button and hold it down and just drag my mouse over all of the words to highlight the student guide and move down. You can see it highlights, so you're holding down your mouse. And then you can let up on your mouse and right click with everything highlighted and choose copy. Or you could press the Control and C buttons on your keyboard at the same time. That will copy it as well. So if you choose, you can press copy. And then if I wanted to paste that in a Word document, I would open up a blank Word document. And I could paste it here by either pressing the Control button and V button on my keyboard, or I could just right click and I could choose a paste option and click on one of those paste options, and you can see that would paste it into a Word document. If you'd like to type your answers out on that form, you can just click in there wherever you'd like to type, and you can type on that document and save it. As I mentioned earlier, I don't collect these. It's just for your own use to guide you through the reading and each lesson as we go along in World History class. And there's another option. These student guides have questions to guide you through the reading and the lesson. And we also have a completed version of each of those as well, and that would be the lesson answer key. So the student guide has just the questions. The lesson answer key you can use to check your answers that you came up with, and you can see you can click on that, and it opens it up again on your computer. It'll open in a new tab, and it's the same questions, but it also has those answers filled in along with that you can use to study. You're welcome to use this to help you on any quizzes or tests as well.